He barely touched me anymore like he used to. We don't even have sex, guys. I decided to meet up with the private investigator. He should be here in about 15 minutes.
Got good news and I got bad news.
Wow.
I got video footage where I can show you. I mean, live footage of him at the corner. You know.
Okay.
You want to see it? You
Yeah,
sure?
yeah.
You're sure you can see it? Okay. Here you go.
Is that him giving her money?
Yes, that's money. There goes the next one here. And fruits.
Fruit soup?
Yes, the fruit soup, correct. Would you like me to take you over there?
Please, no.
I need you to control yourself because, you know, you're going to see him and she might be there. What time is it now?
Hi y'all, as you know, this is Livy, and I didn't want to make this video, but I said I'm gonna make it so I can just have proof. For those that know, I am engaged to my fiance, and I have suspicions that he's been cheating on me. We've been having a little hard times, right? I had to end up getting 2 jobs. Where we move is not as good as where we used to live, but they have a whole bunch of fruits, a whole bunch of stuff. So since we fell on hard times, my fiance decided he's gonna start a little side hustle and sell a couple of fruits and stuff that we do have in our yard. So I was like, babe, like, you know, you don't have to do that. I don't feel like that gonna make as much money. I'm already working 2 jobs, you know? And he said, no, he'll feel less than a man if he don't help. So I said, okay, fine. So guys, I notice every time when he go out to sell fruits, right? He come home late at night. And then when he come back, the same fruits he left the house with is the same fruits he come back with. So what are you doing? You ain't sell not one fruit. So what have you been doing all day? And when I do call him, he never pick up the phone. He don't answer. And when I ask him, hey, like, you went down the road with 10 pineapple, 5 mango, 7 banana, and you come back with all of them, what's been going on? He don't have an answer for me, right? He sleeps with his phone close to him now. He never used to do that. Anytime somebody call the phone, he run in the shower, lock the door, and answer the phone. He barely touched me anymore like he used to. We don't even have sex, guys. It's been a while. Ever since he started doing that little side hustle, we have not been intimate. So I took it upon myself from one of my jobs. I saved up a little bit of money to put to the side, and I hired a private investigator because I want to know what's been going on. I decided to meet up with the private investigator. He should be here in about 15 minutes. And like I said, I decided to document it and video it because I want proof. Because, you know, sometimes when a couple break up, everybody to point fingers. So I want my proof because I have, you know, woman intuition. You could never be wrong. And I feel deep in my gut that something is not right.
Good evening. How you doing?
Good evening. I'm just here.
Okay. Well, you're here. You're still alive.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Okay. Got good news and I got bad news.
Wow.
So, which one you want to hear first?
Okay, let me hear the good news. Maybe if I hear the bad, it won't be so bad since I hear the good. So.
Okay. Well, the good news is, you know, I've been following them for a while. You know, you hired me to, you know, just to follow him around, find out what he does throughout the day, where he goes and what he's doing. Well, he's working. So, that's good. That's great news, right? Correct? Correct me if I'm right or wrong.
Yeah, it's great, but it's like he's working, but he comes home with the same fruit, no money. But I'll go ahead.
Which he's working.
Yeah.
Correct. So he left the house, came back
Yes.
home, and he did go out to work.
Okay.
There's a certain spot he keeps going to every day, and maybe that's the problem. The spot is probably just not a good spot to sell. Maybe that's what's
Yes.
going on.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I got to break down to you the bad news. So the bad news is, how can I break this down to you? Honestly, the bad news, I see a woman there. There's this nice girl for some reason that comes every day to come visit him.
Nice.
Nice looking girl.
That's
nice.
even more bad.
Well, I mean, as a woman, women always nice. Anytime you see a
Yeah.
woman, they always look nice, you know. As guys, you know, there's something about her that he likes, you know. Maybe what we can do, I mean, I can show you. Let me show you different pictures and different times that they keep appearing. Here, there, this corner here. A real good spot is like way over here on this side here. And that's like every morning. I mean, relax. You asked me to do the work and just don't start crying, please.
I feel like sick to my stomach
So
now.
why would you hire me to find this out? And then when I find it out, now all of a sudden you're breaking down in tears. You know, that wasn't the reason why you hired me. What was the point of you hiring me if you couldn't handle what was going on?
I just, like, I had a feeling, but I didn't know. I thought it was just my mind. I didn't know it would have been true, you know? And I'm working 2 jobs, hard. I even just applied for a 3rd job, and that's what he out there doing to me.
I mean, he's working. I mean, honestly, he's working. He is actually putting in the work. Just the food is not selling. The fruits are not selling. The bananas are not selling. Whatever he has on the cart, that's the reason why they're returning. Maybe there's something that, you know, we could try to do, or you could try to do to try to get him to sell the food a little better.
And do you know how long this been going on? Like, has he been with this girl all the time, every day?
Ma'am, there's really no way for me to tell. From the date you hired me up until now, that particular girl keeps coming around. But
Is that them kissing?
I really couldn't tell you. I mean, these are just information that we just hired, you know, me and my team. You know, when we stand around the corner and we're taking shots and popping up at the corner, these are the little scenes that do pop up. I mean, I could take you there, and we could try to see it for ourselves. You know, that way we're sure that it is him.
He don't touch me anymore. He don't hug me. He don't talk to me. When I cook, he don't even eat my food anymore.
I got video footage where I could show you. Yes. I mean, live footage of him at the corner. You know.
Okay.
You want to see it? You sure?
Yeah.
You're sure you can see it? Okay. Here you go.
Is that him giving her money?
Yes, that's money.
So you mean to tell me this mother's gone? Our light almost cut last week. I had to go borrow money from my mother to pay our lights.
And here goes another one. There goes the next one here. I mean, I probably have maybe 10 to 12 different scenes of money being given and fruits.
Fruits too?
Yes, the fruits too, correct.
So all this time he acting like he don't have no...
Would you like me to take you over there?
Please, no.
Now?
No.
Okay, I need you to control yourself because, you know, you're going to see him and she might be there. What time is it now? Okay, well, they should be, yes, she should be, she's still there.
No, let's go.
All right.